Hey guys, welcome back to FNR Sports. Good to see you guys back here. This was a beautiful Thursday morning. It was meant to be about 36 to 37 degrees down where we are. So it was a wonderful morning. I've sort of got a little clip of myself here. Anyway, I got up a bit late. I was like, oh damn, G-Man's coming to pick me up in about 10-20 minutes. So I've got up rushing. I grabbed two rods for tuna. I grabbed two rods for snapper. Grabbed three rods for whiting and one extra rod just to use for squid fishing, because we just never know what we're gonna go for in Western Port. And so anyway, this is me getting all the stuff together, some tuna stuff. I'd just taken everything as precaution because we're just the new boys on the block and we're just learning. So anyhow, this is me just quickly picking the outfit. You gotta look good. So I've got the cowboy hat there, black cowboy hat. I thought, you know what? Let's get a bit groovy. Let's take the Hawaiian shirt. Let's go the red. Let's pop out a bit. Let's be seen from a mile away. And thought, you know what? I never wear shorts. I thought today's the day for it. And right here, I went to put the shorts down and it fell. I picked it up, and last night I was making up some hooks and things like that. Left one on the ground and it got me. I thought, damn, no wonder I love them circle hooks. Look at it. Boom. Beautiful. Anyway, this is me here. I'm rushing down because I'm like, oh man, the boat ramp's going to be packed pretty soon. Like there was a heap of boats out there anyway. So here I am running down. G-Man's up there waiting for me. Going, come on, buddy. Like, man, the fish aren't going to wait for us. I said, oh, I'm coming. Just talking gibberish. Anyway, enough talking from me. Good to see you guys back tuning in. And check out. We just don't know what's going to happen today. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Enough talking. Tuna will come in and go for whiting. Smash some whiting. You want a hand or you alright? Oh, yeah, mate. Yeah. Oh, there we go, no worries.
Yeah, whip it down that way somewhere.
Yep, alright, too easy. So I was just trying to get down to the boat ramp as fast as I can. Then I seen an old fella there and asked him if he'd like a hand. And he looked like he needed a hand, so helping out another fishing fellow. So yeah, you guys out there, man, especially this boat ramp down at New Haven there, it can get absolutely chockers. And this day, it wasn't so busy. Most people went out early morning. But just have a little bit of patience, and don't get too angry. People get up and about. This boat ramp can be hectic sometimes, and if we're all patient and we help each other out, we can get on the water quick, and you'll be out there fishing in no time. But if you crack the shits and you're swearing and carrying on, and just watching, as an example, this old man trying to do this himself. It's easier if you jump in and help them out and get them on their way, and then you can jump in as well. Anyway, that's my tip, all right? That's the rule, 101 rule, that when you see a fellow fisherman need a hand, jump in there and help him out, because good deeds come around. Yep. I will save. No worries. Oh.
I've never been out there like this before.
We'll look out for you.
Yeah, awesome. Thanks, I appreciate it.
No worries. Oh, that's what fishermen do, look after each other.
Yeah, that's it. Now, I fished out with a couple of old fellas the other day. They were really good blokes.
Yep.
And they come back. I wasn't getting a bite. And
Oh.
neither were they. And then they come back and went, "Oh, mate, over here, follow us." Took
Yep.
them to a spot.
And bang.
It was great.
Yeah. No, like I said, if we see them, we'll wave you across and
Yeah, bloody hell.
yeah, and we should all take fish home. Hopefully,
That's the
fingers
plan.
crossed. All right, good luck. Oh, man. Oh, the sun's shining.
Getting by, mate.
Yeah.
It's really windy here, mate. It's a bit of a night.
It is. The wind is sort of picking up a little bit. But...
Alright. It should be sweet up the top end of the top there.
yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Let's just have a quick look. It is bumpy out there, but it's not mad.
We're getting through this little entrance here.
Yeah, that's it. Getting over this bar. Wind. Cape Wallamai wind forecast today. Front loaded forecast. Oh, that's just what we need, isn't it?
Yeah. Got the... Looks like we're going fishing for a month.
Oh, summer. Alright, so the wind's stronger than it's meant to be.
Yeah.
And we've got until like, staying the same pretty much. So wind-wise, it should be alright. Apparently, light jackets would be a good idea.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yeah, this is the one, G-Man, right here. This lure is the one that I feel like it's just going.
Boy, is it?
It's gonna pelt them.
Alright, so yeah, I've got that lure which I'm happy with, but I might change that to a Rapala.
Yeah.
Stick a lure on the back of that. What have I got going on here? I want to stick a Rapala on that. Some birds nest. And keep an eye on that marker for us. We don't want to get anywhere near that.
Yeah, yeah. No, nice.
Got that. This is some fucking setup he's got going on here, mate.
Ooh, yeah, these are some serious swivels you got there. I thought
Pretty good, aren't they?
Pulling a shark.
Pretty fucking big.
I definitely got some size of that, I'm gonna say.
Alright, that's set up lovely. Yeah, so I've got that.
Yeah.
Lure on the back, skirt, bird there. This here, just needs to clip it onto that. But, oh yeah, I can go like that. Ooh, fucking. Alright, so that's set up right here. Just don't know how the hell I put it together so it doesn't load too much mess. You have to hand line the last bit in.
Yeah, because it's pretty long, isn't it?
Very long. Look at that, there's fucking waves all over around that there.
Yeah. That's the bumpiest part. It's getting.
Yeah, get over that. I'll go and extract on that, which I'll set up mounted. Deadly.
Woohoo! No worries.
Ready for action. Good fish in there for whiting all day long, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Game?
Oh yeah. I'm all ready.
Got the life jacket on?
Yeah, probably should put one on now. Came out of the wound running, G-man. Came out of the wound running. So this is Usain Bolt.
Right, so they're telling me that I need to trawl at 10 kilometres an hour.
Yeah.
Just get out there first through all this horribleness.
Yeah, no worries, yeah.
It looks rough as out there, man.
Yeah, I can see there's a boat. Just looks like it's on this side.
Watch out for waves.
Yeah. I think it's once we get past this little 50 meters.
What I'm worried about is it's high tide now, which means it's deep water.
Yeah.
At low tide, this swell will be breaking onto. Will be breaking.
Oh, in here.
Yeah, just on this spot here.
Yeah.
Just on the bar. So coming back in could get a bit hair raising. So that's what we should be trolling at, 12 kilometres.
Yeah.
It's rough.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, that boat's just outside it on our right hand side there, and he looks sitting pretty comfortably. Oh.
Stand back there, so
Yeah.
I can't go that way. He does, doesn't he?
Yeah, yeah, it looks like
I'm
it's.
gonna go out and see it. This is fucked, don't you?
Yeah, I reckon.
Hold on, here we go.
Yeah.
Ah man, I don't know mate, it's breaking out there.
We're doing all right, too, and I truly think if once we get past it. So we've decided, all right, we'll try and bash through it, keep going for a little bit, and see how it is on the other side, because it's bass stray once you go through the mouth. So we kept going for a little bit longer, and it just got rough. The swell picked up a bit more, and it was getting rougher and rougher. So the skipper, the great man himself, G-Man, said, hey, this is getting too rough. It's gonna be, yeah, we're pushing it. We're just sort of learning. So I thought, oh well, G-Man, you're absolutely right. You know, I can't swim. We may be in trouble here. So we decided we done a U-turn, went back into the bay, and we decided we'll fish for whiting and flathead, and let's check out what happens after this.